Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to pause audio right now. First, confirm which AirPods you have because controls differ slightly. Pro and Max use squeeze or crown, older buds use a double tap. Once paired and playing, position the case or phone nearby so connection stays strong. Now perform the first action. Double tap the stem on first/second gen, tap force sensor on Pro, or press the left earbud if you set it to play/pause. This initial tap immediately pauses audio so you can react. If the simple tap doesn't pause, check and change controls in settings. Open Bluetooth, tap the eye icon next to your AirPods, then assign play/pause to double tap or press and hold. This ensures consistent behavior. For AirPods Pro, a light squeeze toggles play/pause, while AirPods Max use the digital crown. Once done, test with short audio to confirm responsiveness. If you prefer, pause instantly from Control Center or an Apple Watch, which bypasses earbud gestures and gives a reliable stop. Finish by verifying everything stays paused when you expect. If gestures are inconsistent, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth and repair them. This often restores correct controls. As a stronger fix, reset your AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then reconnect. If problems persist, make sure firmware and device OS are up to date and confirm audio routing isn't going to another output. Quick troubleshooting prevents repeated missed pauses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.